Well, today we are attempting another Pottery Barn dupe. Hey, I'm Janelle, and this is toDIYfor if you're new to my channel. Please subscribe. I do new DIYs every Wednesday and try to keep things very simple, budget friendly, and I love to thrift things. So anytime if you're at the thrift store, you would notice that there's just vase upon vase upon vase, but they're all kind of outdated. So what I'm going to do is try and take an old thrifted vase and upgrade it to kind of the style of now and, you know, mock it after these ones that I saw on Pottery Barn. So let's get into this DIY.
So these are the ones that I grabbed from the thrift store, each $2.99, honestly cheaper than going to the dollar store. Go to the thrift store. This vase in particular, I think has the exact right shape to replicate the Pottery Barn ones that I'm trying to do. Now this air dry clay is easy to work with. I got it off of Amazon. I can leave it linked down below for you. I'm gonna roll it out to about 1/4 of an inch thick on some wax paper or parchment paper. Makes it easy to peel off. I'm cutting out my shape. I would say that this is, you know, approximately 1.5 inches wide, but you can totally just make this however you want. I have added it to just underneath the lip of this vase, and then the bottom part just kind of gets pressed into the body of the vase. I added a little extra clay up here to kind of help make sure that that was fastened well to the top, and then a little bit of water. You can just smooth out any imperfections and cracks and really try to make that look like it's a seamless meld into the rest of the body of the vase to make it look like, you know, it was originally built this way. So I allowed that to dry overnight, and then we're gonna go in with our paint. So I am using, you know, the hack with the baking soda and paint. So as you can see, there are a few cracks there once this all dried. Fortunately, this paint is really thick and it actually made most of those cracks disappear. So it looks really good once you put it all on because it's thick. It covers very well as well. And if you're wondering, it's about a 1 part to 1 part paint and baking soda. It gives that kind of texturized look, makes it look like it's real ceramic. I did about 2 coats on these vases, and here is the final look. Honestly, I think that these look almost identical to the ones from Pottery Barn. Let me know what you thought of them though. They're super easy to make, and I made them for about $5 total.